fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car! Get away from me! Get out of the car!
On the ground! On the ground!
Get out of the car!
On July 23, 2024, at 4:15 p.m., a 911 emergency call was made. A man reported that his ex-wife was using her car to block his path as he was on his way to the police station. The reason? He intended to file charges against her for repeatedly abusing and assaulting their son.
Hi, what's going on?
I came here to file a police report. She's in my car. She's opening the doors.
Okay.
She's trying to open the doors, pounding on the window.
All right.
And I came on a police report against her for hitting my son today because she hit my son a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to check on the status of that.
So
she has a no contact order for my son also right now.
okay.
Because that was acting crazy 2 weeks ago. She threatened to kill someone. She called the cops. I don't know how she didn't get a charge. She resisted arrest. She said, if you touch me, I'll punch you in the fucking face. The cop. And
Here in Alliance?
my son is being neglected and abused. And I can't get any help from the cops, really. And she's breaking the law on camera. I don't know why you guys won't do anything. There's a woman. I want to go easy on her, but my son's sick. My son has been abused a lot, and I find reports. I just can't get help. Because I'm a man, she's a woman.
Yeah, that's probably it.
I'm being treated different.
No,
I'm not being.
So, did you come here to file a new report, or did you come here to check the status of one?
Both.
You can roll down or I can pull you out. It's up to you. Roll your window down or I'm going to pull you out. Window down or I'm 48 headquarters. I'm going to need another car. Roll your window down. If you don't... Okay. I am going to arrest you for obstructing. I am going to arrest you. I promise you I am. If you don't exit the vehicle,
You're not touching me.
If you don't exit the vehicle,
Hurry up and get here.
you can call whoever you want. If they interfere, they're going to jail too. Come out of the car or you are under arrest. What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out.
The officer approached Kayla Ryder to talk, but instead of cooperating, she acted defiant, completely ignoring the officer's commands. Orders were given repeatedly, warnings were issued multiple times, yet all the officer received in return was silence and a challenging glare through the car window.
Keep him away from her.
Listen, your window's gonna break out, you're gonna come out.
48. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck Olivia.
The situation escalated quickly. Police were forced to smash the car window, pulling her out as she violently resisted, kicking an officer with full force.
Get out of the fucking car! 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 Get out of the car!
Get out of the car! Get away from me then! Get out of the car!
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
Get on the ground! Stop it!
Face on your belly!
No.
Get on your fucking belly!
Look at my
Get on your belly! Get on your... Get on your belly! Get on your belly! Taser! Taser! Get on your fucking belly! Taser!
Get on your side!
Get your hands behind your back! Get your hands behind your back! Get your hands behind your back!
Put your hands behind your back!
Then get off of me! Do not do this to me again! I told you guys I didn't trust you!
Get your hand behind your back! Get your hand behind your back! Get your hand behind your back!
Here, use these. Fuck that.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! No! I'm not doing anything! I am not doing anything in this again! You guys?
After a stun gun deployment, Kayla Ryder was finally subdued. Amid the chaos, her younger sister intervened and was also arrested for obstructing law enforcement. Scattered pill bottles on the ground raised further questions about Kayla's condition at the time of the incident.
Stay!
Roll on your side.
No! Can you not? He needs to stay the fuck away from me.
Sit up on your butt.
I already talked to you guys. Give me my medications. Get off. No! You're trying to take my purse again. Stop.
We'll cut it off.
No!
We will cut it off if any
no.
issues.
Let me have. Do you want me to cut off your purse?
We're way past that.
No, it's not. When he just fucking tasered me.
We will cut off if you don't want to give it to us.
Because of you guys last time too.
We're taking it off. If you don't want to give it back to us, we're going to cut it off. Do you understand?
You're not
gonna get it. Give me your knife.
Why are you guys doing this?
My battery's dead.
Why are you guys
You want to
doing
play
these
these
things?
stupid games? We're just going to cut it off.
Your was Zach. You guys. No, you did.
Nope, that's all you, girl.
You what was gonna fucking
Okay,
happen?
you ran. I'm
did-
not gonna help you.
Because this is what happens to me every fucking time.
Yeah,
I try to
because you act like that.
No, because I want.
No,
my
it's
son.
because you act like that.
No, yeah, my body cam has it all, honey. I know, and your body cam has.
Let's get her in a fucking car.
No, stop.
You are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you during. If you can't afford to hire one, won't be provided.
Oh
Don't
my
even
God,
don't
don't
try
break
anything.
Don't try anything.
Give me my medicine.
No.
No. Oh my God. No. My God, you're allowing them to break my arm.
Get in the fucking car.
I hate him.
Get in the car.
I don't let him touch me. Fuck you, you fucking piece of shit. My hand's gonna break again.
Well,
Get away.
life's choices.
So, are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck away, sicko. Sick bitch. Don't do this to me again, please. Do not do this to me again, please. Do not do this to me. Please do not. No.
Kayla, stop. Stop. What is going on with you
told
today?
because my son, he won't let me have my son.
Would you let him have your son if he was acting like this?
I was doing this. It's because I called the sheriff. I wanted a welfare check. Please come away from me. You should have saw what they did to me last time. Please help me.
Do you understand that your sister's a grown-ass woman?
I do.
Who are you?
sorry.
Hold on.
Sorry,
I'm not done.
I
I'm not done.
apologize to you.
In just a second. Who are you to come interfere? I'm not saying that was your initial intention, but when we're dealing with her, what is you adding to the mix going to do? All this did was make me focus on you as well as focusing on her. And one of our officers almost just got hit by her car because she's fucking nuts. What? Yes. Yes.
She actually called me. I work overnights at Myers, so I just woke up. Like, this was just like, you know, when you wake up from out of your sleep, you're not expecting anything like that. No one was home for me to figure out what was going on. I wanted to call my mother. I wanted to call my brother. I don't know what's the youngest in the family, so I've been getting a lot of this stress put on me. Mm-hmm. And mind you, I've just been trying to keep her together because I was sexually assaulted by her ex-fiance, and she's been getting traumatized by him since that happened to me years ago. No, I sound crazy.
No,
but
that doesn't sound crazy. That doesn't sound crazy at all. But
over. I know this doesn't have to do with that.
With
today.
the way she's acting,
Yeah, I don't know.
That very well may be, but you
I
interjecting.
understand me coming here was not helpful. I really just, in my mind, I was thinking she wanted me to just come here and calm her down. I didn't know what the situation. I still don't.
I get that.
Somebody on the other side?
What's that?
Somebody on the other side?
No.
No, leave me alone.
Okay, hang tight.
Do you want me to fix your dress?
Why did you do this?
Well, why'd you run me over?
I did not.
Would you like me to fix your dress or no? I will fix your dress for you.
If you would, but I don't
Okay.
want my son.
Okay, well right now, we're not worried about your son. We're worried about making sure.
I already talked to my therapist today and my doctors from the place. There was you guys can't do anything when I'm not there. I have no way to even get a hold of anybody to figure out that no one was even there. I want my son. You can't just take my son in my cab from me.
Right now, I mean, you're going to jail. You know that, right?
Because you guys did this.
You did that. I'm pretty sure you did that. You wrecked into my cruiser.
Quit trying to turn on me. You saw it shows him running at me.
Goodbye.
It shows him running.
Looking forward, because that hair clip right there, it fell out. It was born, it fell out.
But
I will be honest.
if you would have just gone, hindsight's 2020.
Okay.
For everybody.
I think
For
it just-
everybody.
I got scared. I don't know had out on you, but when you pulled the first thing out, I thought you had a gun at her, so that's why I came forward. And I've never seen any of my family members be shot and have a gun pulled out on them. So I'm
And
sorry
fortunately,
I reacted like
fortunately, I've never shot anybody.
that. Okay, but I'm sorry I react like that. You have to understand. I've never seen this, and this has been a lot on me.
I can imagine. Do you understand that by this situation, your involvement up to this point right now gets you a trip to the Stark County Jail?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Please. No, I just.
Is this a learning experience?
Yes, please.
Is this ever going to happen again?
No, I promise you.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Please do not
Get out of the car. Get out. Get out of the car. Do as I say, and you don't have to worry about any trouble. I don't fault you for wanting to help your sister. That's a good sister.
I'm only 21.
Okay.
Like,
And you don't need criminal charges, anyone.
I do.
All right. Go on, get out of here.
Yeah, here.
Okay, he'll give them to you.
Be safe going home.
Do we have anything else? I really don't know.
All right, ma'am, this is what's going to happen, okay? I understand. You're not listening. That's why you don't know. And maybe you don't understand. You ran into her cruiser. You're going to jail tonight. You're not having any contact with anyone out. You're not phone calls until you get to the jail.
So Zach is still out here free too.
Yeah.
She said that.
You're
Yeah,
such
she
an
said that we're
asshole.
going.
Yeah, you're going to jail.
You're such an asshole.
So you're going to the hospital. Listen, you're going
That time, right?
you're going to the hospital to get clearance. You can either go up in an ambulance or you can ride with one of us and we'll just drag you out of the car for clearance.
See, they're
One
allowed
of
to
the
talk to me like that when I didn't even touch them.
Well, then you need to go in the ambulance
I
with
need
them
you
if you don't want to be
leave me
away.
alone.
All right, then you can just ride up with us.
No, I'm not. I'm not riding.
Yep, you'll ride with us.
No! Please don't.
This is my car, isn't it?
No. It's not fucking
We'll go with you.
funny.
No, if she doesn't want to,
I
we'll
wanna
take her to the
ride with you
hospital and we'll
guys.
drag her
I
out
wanna
up
ride
there.
in the ambulance, please.
So, attempted
Please.
vehicular assault on a police officer.
It's a liar.
And
It's on your body cam.
yes.
Yeah, that you tried to
And,
run into my
intimidation.
fucking car. Can I go with the ambulance, please?
No, we're taking you out.
No,
It's too
you're
late.
not.
You
I
made
don't
your
want him
decision.
near me.
It's too late. You're
for
still
that.
going to the hospital, so
I don't want
We're not
him near me.
violating
Let me
anything.
go to the
It's gonna be
ambulance.
even sports you. You've dealt with me a million times. It's gonna be okay. All right.
I can't not go without my phone and money again. I need my phone.
I got bad news about Stark County Jail. They're not gonna let you have your phone.
This isn't my fault.
Okay, that's gonna be for the court to decide. Okay. The decision been made as far as today. So we're gonna take you to the we're gonna take you to the hospital. No more issues. Nobody wants.
touched me.
You need to make sure that you are amenable to our orders. All right. This is my car. Hey, take her to the hospital. Ron. Ron.
I listened and I gave you guys the fucking purse, though. And you guys didn't find anything in there. That's the fucking problem. You think I'm fucking driving.
I'm gonna go get complaints done, and then
Rock on.
I don't want to do this again.
Well, that's not where we're at, though. Okay. So do you want to
I
exit?
don't want it. Can
Which
you guys please give me my stuff? Because
left side?
I don't know.
All right, we're gonna go left side. Okay. So slide over to the left for me. Okay.
Please, can I have your phone? Please, somewhere. I need to be able to make sure that people know where I
I'm
am.
trolling this up so nobody can mess with my car. Okay.
Let them hear me.
Your phone's gonna be coming with us. Okay. But you're not gonna be able to have access to it.
I have to have my phone.
I'm sorry, not how it's gonna work. Okay.
You don't understand how much PTSD I have.
I understand.
No, you don't.
Kayla, I've talked to you a bunch of times. You know I'm friends with your brother, but I need you to listen to me. I need you to calm down and be cooperative, and let's not get in any more trouble, okay?
I've been cooperative though, and I even listened. You can even see it on the body cam.
All right, come on out.
No, my leg.
They're gonna check you out in there.
They did that last time too.
Can you lock this for me?
I don't. Please keep moving.
It's okay. It's just me. As long as you quit backing up, it'll be just me, okay? Come on. Come on.
Wait for me.
Come on.
I'm not playing.
Watch your steps.
I'm not playing.
Watch your step.
Tell them to
I'll be the only one
Tell them to
assisting you inside, okay,
Tell them to
Kayla?
stop. Tell them to stop. Tell them to
He asked them to step back.
It's okay.
stop. Stay the fuck away from me.
It's okay.
Keep them away from
And
me.
there's a camera in here at all times. This one right here.
This one. Do not let them hear me. Please, please, please,
have a
please,
seat.
please.
Kayla. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
Keep him away from me. I'm not playing.
In the meantime, I need you to have a seat. Okay?
I told him to keep him away from me. Please, do not let him.
Investigations revealed a troubling past, prior charges for child abuse, battery, and serious traffic violations. Her relationship with her ex-husband had been marred for years by conflict and violence. Kayla Ryder now faces multiple charges: stalking, resisting a peace officer, battery to a police officer, and criminal damage to property. With her criminal history, she could be looking at a severe sentence. In Illinois, stalking is classified as a Class 4 felony, but it can be elevated to a Class 3 or Class 2 felony if the offender has prior convictions, uses a weapon, or if the victim is a minor, elderly, or disabled. Penalties include 1 to 3 years in state prison for a Class 4 felony and up to 7 years for higher classes, along with fines of up to $25,000. A broken relationship doesn't always end with emotional pain. It can spiral into a dangerous legal nightmare. This case is a clear reminder that obsession and resentment only lead to worse outcomes for everyone involved. What do you think about the suspect's actions? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the most thrilling real-life stories caught on police body cameras.